guys, it's Brooke with WTI. My wrists get super sore and tired when I'm cooking from all the spices and salt and pepper grinding and everything that I want to add. These Estilo salt and pepper holders are the best. Not only are they super functional, but they're also really cute sitting out on the counter. There's this little magnet in the lid, so when you swivel it closed, it locks in the freshness. There are so many different things you can put in these. You can use salt, pepper, any sort of herbs. You can even use it for things in your bathroom. They're made of 100% bamboo, so they're gonna last a real long time. They hold a large enough amount that you don't have to keep refilling them all the time. And they're really easy to clean. All you have to do is wipe them down with either a cloth or some warm water and soap and let them air dry. Not only are these Estilo salt and pepper holders super functional, but they're also really cute sitting out on display. But that's just my point of view.